Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my first product review. Today I will be reviewing Poundland nail products. I'm very excited to do this video. I was really impressed with their nail products and I look forward to showing you what I got. I spent £8 in total and bought some products I wouldn't normally buy. With those cheap things I think you just get what you pay for. I'm excited to show you how all these products played out, so let's get into it. So the first product I tried here was a pack of 40 nail files. I kind of knew instantly as soon as I picked them up that I probably wasn't going to like them, but I thought for £1 I'd give them a go because you just never know. Instantly as soon as I opened these they had sand everywhere, and I mean everywhere. It just created a right mess. They almost looked as if they had been used before. They were really rough around the edges. You just could tell they wasn't going to be any good. So first of all I decided to try out on one of my practice tips. Normally with my practice tips they do have that little nick on the end that's a bit rough from where they've been cut. The sound these created when you first started filing, it was terrible. It was literally like nails going down chalkboard. Just too rough. I do like a rough nail file, but these were just too rough. Normally I'll buy my nail files from Neo Nails, they're 180 grit and they're just perfect. So I don't know why I've done this, but I decided to give it a go on my natural nail. My natural nails already are a bit thin at the moment, and it felt like these were just going to snap them right off. These are just awful. I do not recommend at all. I've tried a lot of nail files and these ones probably were the worst out of them all. I definitely would never buy them ever again, that's for sure. So next is this absolutely stunning red holographic nail polish. I was very excited about this. It's so beautiful. I've bought a lot of nail polish in the past from Poundland, so I had very high hopes for this one. Everything about this was just perfect. Red is my favourite colour and anything holographic is just amazing. Normally I use my red holographic glitter from Smiley's glitter store. It's called Candy Red Disco. It's really beautiful. I love all of her products. Really quick delivery, I highly recommend. She sells a great variety of products, please check her out if you haven't already. So this nail polish is called Scarlet Sparkle number 17. The first impressions of it is that it's really thin. It's absolutely stunning, but it definitely has got a really watery consistency. The holographic does show through on it really well though. I'm quite impressed with that for just one really thin coat. Also, I forgot to mention this does come in a 10ml bottle, so it's a pretty good size. I did also find that this did show through as more of like a deep pink on the nail rather than the deep red that it sort of looks like in the bottle. I don't really mind though, it is a really gorgeous colour either way, and it is a very quick dry polish, which is always really good. So after I let this dry for a minute I did go in for another coat. It did give a bit more solid coverage, but I didn't think it's going to happen. I did try a couple more coats. It's more like a jelly nail. It was very see-through, which isn't my personal preference. I'm not too keen on see-through nails. But if you are into that sort of jelly nail effect, then this is perfect. I definitely do see me using this quite a lot though. I think it works quite well as a topper. I did place it over some black, as you will see, and it did come through really beautiful, so much so I am going to do my nails in that next. The holographic for sure comes through really beautifully. I've bought quite a lot of holographic nail polishes and they just don't have that rainbow shine compared to this one. This one really is stunning. They've done a great job with it. I do recommend it more of a topper than I do a base colour. It works really well over black, white or red or any colour really. This does have a big thumbs up for me. I think I would have been happier if it was more of a thicker consistency and a solid colour, but I'm really happy to use it as a topper. Very excited to do my own nails in it, and I definitely would buy it again. Huge thumbs up for me. I do wish Poundland did have a bigger range of their holographic polishes though. I'd probably end up buying them all. Hopefully there'll be a bigger range one day. I must say the range there wasn't the biggest, but you never know what could happen in the future. So I did decide to put a glossy top coat on the nails, just give them that extra shine. You'll probably see in all my other videos that I use this one particular top coat. It's called the Ukiyo non-white top coat. I buy it off eBay. It's only £5.97 for 3 bottles, but I absolutely love it. I know it sounds really cheap, but it is a brilliant top coat and I really do recommend it. Search it on eBay, I'm sure you'll find it. I bought it this one particular seller who does buy 2 get 1 free. I've not used anything since I discovered this. It is just perfect. Cures really nicely and really quickly. It has really good self-leveling to it and I just really recommend it. So the next item I decided to try was the black nail polish. It's called Midnight Black number 29. I didn't have particularly high hopes for this one because with most cheap black nail polishes I've bought. They've been really thin and you've had to put so many coats on to get it a solid black colour. But I was very excited to try this one. I'll get through black like as though tomorrow. So initially I thought, oh, this is crap, but once I actually applied it properly and put a nice thick layer on, it was really, really, really good. I was generally really surprised. I did end up using one coat in the end. With two, it'd probably be absolutely beautiful, absolutely perfect. You will not need no more than 2 coats. It's really good, really shocked me, and I definitely recommend this one. It also dried really quickly, which was quite surprising considering how thick a layer I did put on. And it's also in a 10ml bottle, so it's definitely good for the pound. Big thumbs up from me, for sure. So the next product I decided to try was this 2-in-1 combo. It's a cuticle pusher and a metal nail file. I had high hopes for this. I didn't really see as you could go wrong with it. This is the first metal file I've actually ever tried, but I was surprisingly impressed with it. It wasn't too soft, it wasn't too brittle, it's just right for my natural nails at the moment. So yeah, I haven't really got too much to say about that. You can't really go wrong for the pound with the cuticle pusher. It's a good product. The cuticle pusher itself was great. It was a nice heavy weighted one, which I like. It had a nice wide spade on it and it was bang on, can't complain. The other end of the cuticle pusher, I'm not too sure what it was, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it. The next nail polish I decided to try was the Winter White number 2. I didn't really have high hopes for this one again, and I wasn't wrong. It was really, really thin, milky white, and it took 4 coats to get a fairly solid colour. Wouldn't recommend this one at all. It's terrible. Using for fine art, maybe it'd be okay, but for using as a base colour, it just doesn't work. It doesn't do what you want it to do. You'll be there forever. It's just not the right nail polish for the job. It's a real shame. I get through white really, really quickly. If anyone can recommend a decent white, then please do. I'd love one with decent full solid coverage, and it just seems really hard to find. So not so much a thumbs up for me. It's probably more of a big thumbs down. I will still use it, but I won't ever buy it again. So you will see in a moment that I did actually use this polish to do some dots on another nail, and it did work okay. That's what I would use it for. Next product is this 2-in-1 little pearly gems and a dotting pen. Another product I knew I couldn't go wrong with. I just got them because they were pretty. I've got quite a lot of these pearly gems already in multiple different colours. I use them quite a lot, and I've got quite a few dotting pens. I only bought this one because I really like the look of it. It was a really solid weight dotting pen. It's got 2 different ends. One's a proper ball sort of shape and the other one's more sort of a pointy shape. Both really practical and useful, and I really like this one. So as you will see, I use white polish to do the dots on these nails using my new dotting pen. In the first dot you can tell that I use way too much polish, so in circumstances like that what I do is I dab the dotting pen back into that first dot to use some of the polish from that to do the other dots. It works quite well. Quite regularly I end up using way too much polish, but you know, problem solved. So yeah, I can't complain about dotting pen. It feels really heavy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break it anytime soon. I do like heavy weighted tools. I just feel like they've got better quality. So big thumbs up again for only £1 with the pearly gems. It's perfect. The nail hardener, I'll get back to you in a month or so and let you know how that one got on. I can't really review it right now, but fingers crossed. These next ones I was very curious about. It's a trio of nail polishes for £1. As you can see, the pink is quite separated. It does look like it's a bit old, but I thought I'd buy them anyway and give them a go. We've got 3 very, very nice colours. I love my red nail polishes. I've got so many. I like that one in particular because it's got a good shimmer to it. The blue is a different colour I haven't really got, and I'm not really too keen on pink nail varnish, but I thought I'd give it a go anyway. So the first one's this lovely red colour. It's called Singapore Sling number 363. First impressions, it's very watery and thin again. I did find it's probably another one that's best as like a jelly nail or as a topper again. So it does have a beautiful shimmer to it. I can't complain about that at all. It's a bit of a shame it's not more of a solid colour, but for technically like 33.3 for 3p, it's not bad at all. I did try giving it a few different coats and it got a bit more solid, but I don't think it's ever going to be pure solid. It's always going to be that little bit see-through. It's nice, could have been better, but it's okay for the price, can't complain. They do come in 6ml bottles. Again, it's a bit on the small side, but it's not bad. I'm not so sure how it would play out over black, but over red, I did try it a little bit over the white, as you will see. It does work well as a nice little topper. I probably will use it as a topper. As I said previously, I'm not really too keen on jelly nail, but I will make good use out of this. as a topper. So it's not a huge thumbs up for me, but it is a thumbs up. It's nice. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it again, but I will make good use of it over time. It's okay. Can't complain too much. So the next colour I tried was the number 414 called Early Dawn. This colour sort of reminds me of a very common colour that people use for sweater nails over Christmas. It's not a shade I actually owned before this, so I'm really chuffed to have this now. I must say I don't particularly like the brushes in these bottles. They felt quite bristly and rough, and it made it sort of hard to get an even coat over the nail. I do absolutely love this colour though, and it did actually, after a couple of coats, come through as a solid colour that wasn't see-through, so that was nice. The consistency of this one was definitely a lot thicker as well, which I do enjoy. It had a very gel-like consistency. It was very, very, very close, so I'm happy with that. The weird thing I found about this nail polish is it actually dried down matte. It doesn't say anywhere on the bottle that it dries down matte, but it really did dry down completely matte. I'm not complaining. I do love matte nail polishes. I do need to get some more. I'm still exploring the matte top coats, so I'm not really having much luck with them at the moment. So yeah, I do appreciate an actually drying matte polish. It is a bit strange that it didn't state on the bottle that it's a matte one, but I'm not complaining. This actually has a big thumbs up from me. I really enjoy this colour and I will use it a lot. Another big thumbs up from me. So the next nail polish I tried was the pink one, number 366. It's called Trendy Cosmo. It's a very nice pink actually. It's got sort of like it's a pale pink nail polish with like a darker bluey, pinky, iridescent sort of glitter shine to it. It was separated. I've given it a good shaking before I use it, and it's much better now. It was really thin again. It was really watery. It's another sort of one that I'd recommend more as a topper. I wouldn't even recommend this one as a jelly. It's just too thin. It doesn't really show through very well, but as a nice topper, maybe on another pink or on a white, it worked really well. Or even on any colour, you know, any colour it works. It's got a really beautiful iridescent shine to it. I didn't think I was going to like this one at all, but after a closer inspection, it's actually quite pretty. I might use it here and there. I wouldn't buy it again though. So next I'm using the Pearly Gems. Like I said, I've already got quite a lot of these. I've bought on Amazon in the past. I've got various different colours. I tested them out on this nail. I would never normally use them all together on their own with no other gems. Normally I mix them with some other rhinestones. They do look really beautiful. They go quite nicely on sort of a mermaid effect nail. I will say some of the ways that I do nails isn't the proper way. Some people might say it's a completely wrong way. Like in this nail, I did use top coat to seal in the gems. I do that all the time. It works really well for me. I can't fault it. But a lot of other people will be completely against it. It's just the way I do things. We all do things differently. If it's somebody else's nails, I would use proper adhesive. But as soon as it's my own or a new practice nail, I use top coat and it doesn't seem to be a problem. So my overall opinion of all these products I bought today, like I said, I spent £8. The dot and pen and Pearly Gems, can't complain, they're beautiful. The trio, I probably won't buy them again, but I will use them. They're okay. They could be better, but they're okay. The Cuticle Pusher and the Metal File, big thumbs up from me, they're good. The black nail polish, bang on, can't complain. The red Holographic, again, it could be better, but I still love it. It's absolutely beautiful. I want to use that all the time. The white nail polish, I wouldn't bother personally. Won't buy it again. I will use it just to use it, but I won't buy it again. The Hardener, I will get back to you on that one. Nail files, absolutely shockingly terrible. Do not bother. But, you know, overall, all products I bought from there are okay. They're good. I'm pretty happy with the amount that I spent for what I got. I can't complain. I will go back there again in the future and buy more products for sure. If there's something you guys would like me to test out from anywhere, please give me a shout and I will try my best to fulfill that for you. Please give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you can. I'm hoping to get lots more content. I hope it'll be better quality in future. I'm still learning. It's probably time I'm a little bit nervous as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.